Welcome back, little lambs. Today we're making baklava from the Sumeru region in Genshin Impact. I'll be making all dishes in Genshin region by region, starting with Sumeru this year. So, if you love this stuff, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, or check out my Twitch. Let's get into it. Baklava is a dessert that rose to prominence during the Ottoman Empire. In fact, it was so famous that they made a whole parade for it. To make baklava, you'll need 150 grams of butter, 500 grams of nuts, pistachios or walnuts, preferably pistachio, 25 sheets of filo pastry, 250 grams of honey, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and half a cup of sugar. First, you'll want to butter up the pan and then melt the remainder of the butter. I just put the butter in the microwave and obviously it's not fully melted, so I'm just gonna... Anyways, so you want to go ahead and grab these and just smash them really hard, like your exes. You don't want them too fine, you want them crunchy. Next, I'm taking my pistachio and just setting aside a few for garnishing later. We're gonna do the same thing and smash these too. And there we go. Now for the pastry. If you've got them frozen, make sure to thaw it in the fridge overnight. Filo pastry is very thin, so you need to handle it delicately. Like your Start layering your pastry in your buttered pan. You might have to snip off any excess like I am doing so here. Just make sure you lay them down and then brush it with butter on each layer. You're gonna do this for the first 10 layers. Do not lose count like I did. Then we'll go ahead and add our nuts to the top of the butter. You want a nice even spread like so. Do this for the next 5 layers. So pastry, butter, nuts. Pastry, butter, these. I ran out of nuts towards the end. Don't be like me. Get more nuts than you need. Then we're gonna do another 10 layers without the nut. Butter the last layer, very important. And then cut the layers into 4 long strips like so. Now you can cut it diagonally into diamonds like I'm doing so here, or you can cut it into rectangular shapes, depending on whichever region's baklava you're making. Hot tip, get a really sharp knife, because in this Asian household we don't sharpen our knives and this was pain.
He fucked up.
Pop it in the oven and you'll want to bake it for 1 hour at 160 degrees Celsius. Whilst that's baking, we'll make our syrup. Into 1 cup of water, add your honey. Mine was crystallized, so I was smacking it to get some out. Good honey, you got this. Then add in your half a cup of sugar. Add a pinch of salt just to bring out the sweetness and your lemon juice to taste. Once your baklava is done baking, pour on the syrup immediately. Check out that sizzle. That's fucking hot. Sprinkle on your ground pistachios for garnish and then let it sit for at least 6 hours to absorb the syrup. And there you go. There's your baklava. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, make sure to check out my other videos on YouTube. See you next time!